Alright guys, as you can see, there's a change engine oil soon. So this is how you do the reset after you change oil, because I just did, guys. So you see this bottom here, you see the menu right there, menu right there, instant fuel economy. I don't know if you guys can see that one. 426, trip odometer, vehicle odometer, 0, blank fades. That's for the tire pressure sensor. Oil life, you see that 1% right here. As you can see the oil percent right there, what you do, you can press this button here. See? Right there. Make sure you're on the oil life. And then you do the enter oil life reset. Oops, favorite oil life. Oil life is 0, guys, so it means ready to change oil. Alright guys, I show you exactly where I did it. You see that one? Open source unit info page, open source. Hold on. Alright, see the setting. You go to the setting, enter, unit info. You go to the open software, info, unit, US. Once you see the setting, you press enter. Oops. Setting. Alright, when you hear the sound after you press this one, it gonna goes to 100. Now my oil life is already 100. That's it, guys. And then you're gonna go exit. Gonna go. Let's go this. You're done, guys. Exit. 107.